Hello, my name is Lynn Gillespie, and this week on the High Performance Garden Show Nuggets, we share with you how to transplant lettuce seedlings for the best success. Here's a clip from the show. So to move them, we want to pop them up from the bottom so that we get more root. And we'll just move those over, and then we want to be sure and water these right away so that they don't die from getting transplanted. You get air pockets around the roots, and then that's what kills them. So we'll get in here, we'll get this thinned and transplanted. And if you have, a flower pot or a friend or something, you can move some of these to a pot and give them away. That would be really pretty to have a red and a green and the freckles and the bronze, and put that in a pot for a friend. So something you can definitely do if you pop them up from the bottom and transplant them. This clip is from the High Performance Garden Show Year 9, Week 31. If you'd like to watch the whole show, it's free, it's online, and you can enroll on our website at thelivingfarm.org/high-performance-garden-show.